Alright you guys, I am almost to Irving Reservoir. It is currently 3:03 and a outside temp of 83 degrees. Hopefully I'll be able to get on some fish today and get a video posted, and let's see how we do. So I caught about 10 to 12 fish today. They were all pretty small, such as the ones you see here. I'm not going to waste your time with the footage of those, but I will let you know that they were all caught on a jig, Texas rigged plastic, and a hollow belly frog. But let me go ahead and share with you the one good fish that I caught today. Man, you guys, I have been grinding it out and have had zero success with getting, decent fish. I finally landed a nice one. I mean, I'm shaking. Oh man, he's feisty. And the damn hook even fell out. Oh wow. Oh. There we go.